हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल YW कृष्णा। और कैसे हैं आप लोग? तेरी वायर, अरे यार। सो अब जो वीडियो आप आगे देखोगे, रात तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगी। और ये जो मैं बातें करने वाला हूँ, ये मुझे ऑफ कोर्स वीडियो के पहले करना चाहिए था, शूट करने के पहले करना चाहिए था। तो मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि मैं ऐसे एक बंदे से मिलने वाला हूँ। एंड आई एम रियली श्योर यू ऑल विल लाइक इट। एंड आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा सुनकर, देखकर, उनकी बातें समझकर। और गाड़ी तो उन्होंने बहुत ही, ऐसी गाड़ी आपको कहीं देखने नहीं मिलेगी। ऐसी गाड़ी आप एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं करोगे, मैंने भी नहीं किया, क्योंकि मैं उनके पास ना वक्त था ही नहीं मैं देने के लिए, उनको आगे निकलना था। तो दैट्स द रीज़न व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दिस नाउ, ताकि मैं वीडियो के पहले ही समझा दूँ कि मैं क्या आइडिया है इस वीडियो का। वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट इज़ कि आप प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को पूरा देखें। सब्सक्राइब मत करो या लाइक मत करो। एंड में शायद से मैं बोल भी दूंगा आपको, या मैंने बोला भी है शायद से, सब्सक्राइब वो सब बाद में करना, या जो नहीं करना है मत करना। लेकिन ये वीडियो देखना एंड प्लीज़ शेयर करना, बिकॉज दिस पर्सन हैज़ गिवन हिज बेस्ट, सैक्रिफाइस्ड, और जवाब नहीं है। दिस इज सुपर्ब, बहुत प्यारा लिखा हुआ है। बाय बाय सर, टेक केयर, सेफ ड्राइव। This car is going now. बाय बाय। पीछे वो पुरानी वाली मारुति 800 आती है, वो वाली है। एंड बहुत सारा सामान है इसके अंदर। मैंने अपना गाड़ी भी लॉक किया कि नहीं लॉक किया पता नहीं।
जय हिंद, जय भारत। दिस इज उमेश गोपीनाथ जाधव here, Janmabhoomi, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. But 2004 I settled in Bangalore. It's been 16 years. Bangalore, I call myself as a proud Kannadiga of being a part of the Karmabhoomi. So you can see that I started भारत का पहला ऐतिहासिक रोड ट्रिप, 28 राज्य, 9 संघ राज्य क्षेत्र, that is 28 states and 9 union territories. This is the motto, Indian first, and this is all for the respect for the martyrs, the forces, and this is what I say, an initiative by Umesh Gopinath Jadhav. And I started from 9th April 2000 Bangalore from Group Center CRPF, where DIG Sri Sanand Kamal sir has flagged me off. I was the only guest invited at the 14th Feb Pulwama Letpura. I have collected all the 40 martyrs soil which were from 16 states and given that in a golden urn in Letpura, which is still there, a respect for all the martyrs. 9th April I was supposed to go to Run of Kutch, but due to the COVID I have to stay in Sukma, Chhattisgarh. Due to Corona I have to take a pause. Again I resumed my travel from October 21st, 2020 for Group Center CRPF Yelahanka, where DIG sir and from the police department Special Director General, he flagged me off. From here to here I have already covered 65,000 kilometers. This is completely a non-sponsored, this is apolitic. मैं बोलता हूँ कि ये गैर राजनीतिक है, आम जनता के सहयोग से, what we as a citizens are giving back for a nation. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? So I never thought that it was I always think that it is we did for a nation. तो ये जज्बा था कि मैं करके दिखाऊंगा। मैं बोला कि बोलना बहुत हो गया, ये नया भारत है, चलो कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, being a part of the new youth community. And when I started, I had lot of trouble. I closed my music school from 16th of Feb. 26 March तक I struggled like mad to go and meet. I want to travel. I want to meet the martyrs family. मैं किसको approach करूँ? Who is going to help me? Who is going to fund me? Which vehicle? You know what? Everyone. I'm not blaming them. They were right. They were cautious. They were saying, "Sir, this is a very Herculean task, and no one had done that. And please don't do that." So 99.9% was all a negative. But I thought, "नहीं मैं करूँगा." So imagine no funds. there are a lot of people who started telling my wife, I have 2 kids, I'm not a bachelor guy. One is in 6th standard, other is in 3rd standard. They told Papa has gone mad. Day and night I was just trying to think, what is patriotism? Deshbhakti kya hai? In 2020, what are we trying to do? So I used in most of the places where actually there were no road. I have seen some villages. The scooty was used because for me every liter of diesel was very, very important, because I have respected what a 5 rupees can do. So this helped me. So if you see, this is a Maruti 800 I have made as a trolley. I think this is the world's first ever trolley which has been made like this, and it has all the martyrs soil. The whole mission was to collect the soil of the martyrs from the Janmabhoomi where they were cremated and collect it, and the motion is to make a India map in Srinagar, Pulwama, post 9th April 2020-21, to say that we are one for a nation and all respect to Janmabhoomi, Karmabhoomi. So this was a message that Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity, it all talks that we are Indian. So these are quite ammunition boxes we were gifted for me, and this is the first ever sedan car, I can say, which has been decorated like armed forces. This is not a part of the 4x4 or off-rider kind of thing, but I believe that an Indian is what an Indian can do. It is not about a machine, it is not about a car or a vehicle, but it is about the spirit of the patriotism that we can do. So this is what I have decorated. All respect to patriotism. So these are basically on the armed forces jeeps, which is carrier. These are all the armed forces. So this is what the new India, I said, जो नया भारत है हम बनाएंगे. So this is Bharat Ka Veer I have promoted. Actor Akshay Kumar was very, very happy that I have promoted, and I'll share the link which you can connect. And the message is एक साथी और भी था, because they have given the best of their life. And this is a bank account that I say that this is a respect for the martyrs family. This is not my bank account detail. This is Bharat Ka Veer. Those who feel to support, do keep supporting them. And this is all about, this is a Hyundai Ascent 2005 CRDA model, and I have completed almost now from the date of purchasing 2,85,000 kilometers. From Bangalore, I have done my masters in pharmacy, but I'm a trained musician. I have a music school in Bangalore. 10th to 14th of Feb, I was invited at Jaipur for a music event, and when I finished the event, I was at the airport, and the 14th Feb evening, the Pulwama attack news started as a viral thing, and I just thought, if the phone call comes to me and they say that the martyrs were part of your family, they were father, my brother, my friend, or my close connect, what I will give back to my nation. It was not about, now if you see, most of the 70% youths or everyone was on digital media, rest in peace, we stand with the Indian Armed Forces, my condolences. I am not against that, but the real patriotism is to go to their houses, to respect person in the uniform when they are alive and salute them and say, sir, we respect for your sacrifices, what you're doing for the nation. So this was a thought process. So I thought I will collect the soil from the Janmabhoomi and go to the Karmabhoomi, that is Srinagar, and make a war memorial. So everything I have written here, that I, a responsible Indian citizen, started from 9th April 2019 from CRPF to 9 April 2020 in Ran of Kutch, 730 days, approximately 1,20,000 kilometers, meeting all the Pulwama, Kargil, all our martyrs, fallen heroes, families of a CRPF, Indian Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Police Department and War Memorials. Mission is Indian first, Janmabhoomi, Karmabhoomi, respecting the soils of India. The sacred soil will be used to make an India map as a symbol of war memorial in Kashmir post 9th April. This is a non-sponsored, apolitical, done through the common citizen support in truth, selfless and with humanity. And I just want to say that this is what I carry, once a soldier, always a soldier.
ये पूरा सब कुछ बहुत स्पेशल रहेगा, पूरी की पूरी गाड़ी स्पेशल रहेगी यहाँ से लेके वहाँ तक। पर आपके लिए इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो आपको होता है ना कि बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, जो आपको लगता है कि दिस समथिंग विच आई कैन नॉट गो विदाउट इट, सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज, समथिंग दैट इज व्हिच यू कैन शेयर विद अस?
It's a difficult thing for me to tell which was important and all that. But two things that I carried the respect. One was the Amar Jawan, the flag with the cap and the gun. The respect for the martyrs, basically.
So it's a gun basically, a
Yeah,
proper
it's a
gun.
gun which was generally
Okay.
used for the training.
Training,
And
okay.
this symbolizes the Amar Jawan thing.
Okay.
And this one is a little present which talks about a bomber can like nation first.
Okay. This
So,
is
so that is what there is. This is the bullet ball, the jerry can.
this is like you use it for
For the diesel,
for the
for
diesel.
example.
तो ये गाड़ी डीजल में चल रही है
Yeah, this is a diesel vehicle.
डीजल व्हीकल.
Yeah. So these are all the brake lightings are all there.
ये मॉडिफिकेशन ये जो किया है आपने
Right.
ये कहाँ पर
Yeah, it's a simple thing about a tractor and a trolley. So that's the same concept,
Okay.
So I use a Maruti 800, which was there in the scrap, and I've made into.
Okay, so you remove the bonnet.
Yeah, I've removed the boom of the engine and everything. It's a pack, and all the martyr soils are into that.
Okay, so it's nothing carrying your luggage. मतलब आपका
this is
luggage.
out and out only for the soils of the martyrs.
तो इसमें जो भी सामान है यहाँ से लेके वहाँ तक आपको सब यूज होता है इस पूरे के
Yes.
पूरे ट्रिप में.
Yes, yes.
पूरे ट्रिप में आप जहाँ से ट्रैवल करते हो यू आर यूजिंग एवरी बिट. देयर इज नथिंग टू शो ऑफ.
No, this is what it is required.
Okay.
For me.
So even this was used ever?
Yeah, like see what happens is whenever, if not for yourself, but somebody, a stretcher, so I carried a lot of things which if I can't use it,
Maybe it's necessary while traveling क्योंकि रास्ते में बहुत कुछ हो सकता है.
Yes, so
दिस इज अ ग्रेट लाइक कुछ शब्द नहीं है इस चीज को बोलने के लिए. अब अपना काम सब कुछ उड़कर ये सब कर रहे हो. इट्स देयर इज नो वर्ड टू एक्सप्लेन एंड कोई फैंसी नहीं है बट जो रिक्वायर्ड है वो है आपके पास.
yes.
एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो बीन यूज्ड. ये जो
One thing I want to tell that I always listen to one song कि ये मत कहो खुदा से कि तुम्हारी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दे तुम्हारा खुदा बड़ा है. So that is what I started with. I closed down my music school after this Pulwama attack incident. I thought I will go to each and every martyr's family. मुझे लगा कि मैं at least एक salute करके तो आऊँगा. It was not an easy thing. That was a peak election time Feb March का. And second thing is मुझे निस्वार्थ में करना था because armed forces का discipline is very very difficult part of the thing. I am a civilian. I am not a part of any forces. Neither any of my family members फौजी है. बट मुझे लगा कि हम 130 करोड़ भारतीय जनता अपने देश के प्रति और अपने आर्म फोर्सेस के प्रति और शहीदों के परिवार के प्रति हम क्या कर रहे हैं. सो आई नेवर थॉट दैट इट वाज आई ऑलवेज थिंक दैट इट इज वी डिड फॉर अ नेशन. तो ये जज्बा था कि मैं करके दिखाऊंगा. मैं बोला कि बोलना बहुत हो गया, ये नया भारत है, चलो कुछ करके दिखाते हैं. बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ द न्यू यूथ कम्युनिटी. I started with 2,000 rupees in my pocket on 9th April and अब तक मैं 67,800 किलोमीटर चल चुका हूँ.
Wow.
आई डोंट नो कब कहाँ पर क्या सपोर्ट आया बट आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर. किसी ने चाय पिलाया, किसी ने डीजल भरवाया, किसी पंक्चर शॉप पे गए, बोले सर आप देश के लिए इतना कर रहे हैं, हमारा फर्ज इतना तो है कि विल सपोर्ट यू. किसी ने टायर्स दिए. आई हैव मेट सम मैकेनिक्स इन भोपाल जिन्होंने मेरी गाड़ी को जो सजाया है. दे डिडंट टेक एनी मनी. लॉट ऑफ पीपल आई स्लेप 80% ऑफ माय टाइम इन माय कार. गियर बॉक्स टूटे हैं, एक्सल टूटे हैं. आई हैव गॉन इनटू द जंगल्स. आई स्लेप्ट इन अ नोमैड्स विलेज. I have gone to places where it's all about terrorism. I have been to Sukma Chhattisgarh for 1 month when during the lockdown. So I have seen life and death very very closely. And every day meeting a martyr's family was not a easy task because I'm not a celebrity. I'm not a forces. I'm not anyone. I'm just a common citizen going down, to say that I'm saluting you family for the sacrifices and every martyr's family the blessings. So I say that one of the IG told me, you never think that you're alone. The martyr soil, the emotions, everything carries along with me.
Is with you.
I was the only invited guest. I'm not boasting about myself, but I'm talking about what a citizen can do when he becomes a responsible Indian citizen.
True.
The journey of that thing. So I was invited at the Lekpura Pulwama. I was the only one invited guest among all the 300 big officers, from the commandant to the DIGs to the IGs to the Director General. And imagine a common citizen just standing there and giving the urn. So this is what I want to tell, that अगर आपको देश के लिए कुछ करना है, कोई आपके साथ रहो या मत रहो, you have to do it. बिकॉज देश हमसे बनता है, देश कोई नहीं होता। आई टेल पीपल की गवर्नमेंट कोई नहीं होता है, गवर्नमेंट हम होते हैं।
Absolutely.
हम गवर्नमेंट बनाते हैं, वी आर एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ दैट। बट ओनली थिंग इज व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज पेट्रियोटिज्म शुड नॉट बी 15th अगस्त और 26 जनवरी। वो सिर्फ सीमित नहीं होना चाहिए इवेंट टू इवेंट बेसिस। इट शुड बी 24/7 by 365 in action. It should be not only in saying or digital medium. So this is a story, I will share with one incidences of the Martyrs family from Tamil Nadu. When I met them, they were from an extremely very, very deserted village. When I met the family, the father told that हमारे जो शहीद बेटा हुआ है, उनका बड़ा भाई 1 साल पहले इलेक्ट्रिक शॉप खेती में काम करते करते he died. Second one died in Pulwama. He had 2 sons. One was 3 years old and other one was 1.5 years old. And he told when the body came down to his name, they told that his name was Sivichandran. He told कि हम army dress में, the father was standing to collect the coffin, and he told that, sir, even my child when he grows up he'll join the armed forces. So think about the martyrs, the fallen heroes, where they are coming from. और आज उनके पिताजी, माताजी और भाई बहन का जज्बा ये है कि सर अगर आज भी हमें या हमारे परिवार को देश के लिए अगर जान देना पड़ी तो वी आर रेडी। दिस इज जस्ट अ क्वेश्चन, इफ दे आर रेडी टू सैक्रिफाइस आफ्टर सो मच, we at the comfort zone, how much are we ready to sacrifice for the nation? I'm not here to teach anyone anything, but I'm trying to say that don't be the followers, be the leaders for India. This is Naya Bharat, Naya Hindustan, हमको ही बनाना है। What I can see this. So this is after the Kargil wall. This is like a Pulwama wall of all the 40 martyrs named, 20 this side, 20 this side, and I was the only guy present there. If you see, these are the insignia of the CRPF segment, and this was Amitabh ji invited at his residence Big B. He gave the. This was at Field Marshal Karyappa, who was the first Field Marshal. I collected the soil from his place. So if you see, this was the kalash which I gave 40 Pulwama martyrs soil, and it is still kept in the Pulwama. So that's the
So
history.
the soil, which I need to understand here, कि वो soil का फंडा क्या है? What is this like?
It is the soil taken from their home.
Okay.
Their
उनके
mother-
घर से. अच्छा. उनके घर से.
They were cremated. वहाँ से मिट्टी।
वहाँ पे अपने ताकि ये कनेक्शन बना रहे.
Yeah. So
वो एक है.
जन्मभूमि to कर्मभूमि।
That's it. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a nice time. See ya.